Hi everyone. Just to show how I unbox to make a Tesla look great using the trunk bin, the storage bin for the left side and the right side, and I'll show you where I bought them to make the whole place very neat. So trunk bin, all I need to do is to insert it here and then tuck it in, make it perfect and fit, then followed by the left hand side cover for part of this. Make sure you follow the shape side and well fitted. Okay, so then either this can go straight on top, or after covering the trunk you can as well go on it. So likewise for the other side, I've already tucked it in. I can easily remove it to show you what I've done. Yeah, so I will just remove the bin storage. Again, this is the bin storage, so I can easily tuck it in, well fitted. Again, the right cover for the trunk, again you follow the shape here and then you tuck it in. Then the cover can also go on top of it and make everything perfect. So the main truck cover, make sure it's already aligned, then cover up here. As I've mentioned, this can either go at the start or at the end, so either way, and it's looking nice.